tingling fingers, shaky legs on the stairs, and that creeping weakness that steals your freedom, common signs after turning 60. Few realize, however, that a lack of collagen in arteries and nerves could be the real culprit behind this discomfort. Today, a surprising list of 8 easy-to-find fruits reveals how nature restores strength and vitality. No pricey pills, complicated recipes, or invasive tests needed. When talking about muscle strength and tactile sensitivity after your 60s, one nutrient stands out as the invisible thread holding tissues together: collagen. This protein, abundant in youth, acts like a flexible cushion inside joints, wrapping blood vessels and supporting nerve fibers. After age 50, natural collagen production plummets, opening the door to joint pain, cramps, and muscle loss. Direct collagen supplements can be expensive or impractical. Fresh foods offer an affordable, tasty, and culturally familiar way for Brazilians to boost health naturally, without chemicals or monthly budget strain. Without enough collagen, the fibers coating nerves and blood vessels thin out, like worn threads in an old rug. Sluggish blood flow causes numbness in the feet. When nerve signals weaken, muscles lose strength, leading to falls. The good news: certain vitamins found in everyday fruits help stitch those fibers back together, restoring elasticity and easing tingling, all without relying on costly labs or doctors. Relief starts with simple choices at your local market. The star of this colorful cart is guava, a pink-fleshed fruit boasting nearly twice the vitamin C of an orange. Affordable and versatile, it can be eaten with the skin, juiced or tossed in salads. Its vitamin C jumpstarts enzymes that link amino acids, weaving new collagen fibers, while lycopene fights free radicals, preventing tiny tears in vessel walls and nerve sheaths. Next up, kiwi offers a rare combo of vitamin C, lutein, and catechins that protect newly formed fibers. Its green flesh speckled with seeds acts like an antioxidant shield, guarding collagen from the rust of cellular aging. Balanced potassium improves microcirculation, reducing leg swelling and keeping nerve impulses steady during short walks or daily chores, without causing extra fatigue. Following kiwi's antioxidant trail, raspberry may be small but packs a mineral punch. Each berry contains manganese, key to activating prolidase, the enzyme that links collagen and elastin strands. This boosts firmer skin and stronger capillaries. Its gentle dietary fiber also helps regulate blood sugar, shielding nerves from silent inflammatory spikes that cause hidden progressive damage every day. Continuing the red fruit path, strawberry blends sweetness with a synergy of polyphenols and vitamin C. Its anthocyanins strengthen collagen networks while protecting tissue from degrading enzymes. Natural silicone stimulates skin cells, promoting strong nails and resilient skin. Fresh or frozen, strawberries keep their nutrients and fit perfectly into morning porridges or light yogurts, without adding extra costs. Taking vitamin C levels higher, acerola cherry shines as a tropical nutritional gem. Just 3 berries supply more than the daily collagen-boosting dose. Its small size makes it perfect for quick snacks, especially for seniors with smaller appetites. Internal bioflavonoids boost absorption, while carotenoids soothe joint inflammation that worsens numbness and weakness, improving circulation and confidence with every step. Adding tropical vibrancy, mango provides abundant provitamin A, which converts into retinol, essential for cell renewal and skin support. Potassium and soluble fiber help balance fluids, keeping night cramps at bay, a common issue after 60. Its soft texture aids chewing, while natural enzymes ease digestion, ensuring better absorption of collagen-building amino acids without spiking blood sugar. Completing the citrus spectrum, blood orange's deep red hue signals powerful anthocyanins that strengthen collagen within blood vessels. These pigments reduce microinflammation, easing the heaviness felt in legs by day's end. Hesperidin strengthens veins and improves venous return, lowering swelling. Whether juice or segments, it offers fresh, sweet flavor and ongoing vascular protection without added processed sugars. Rounding out the tropical lineup, papaya combines digestive papain with a vitamin C arsenal to boost collagen synthesis right after meals. Soluble fiber helps manage cholesterol, benefiting fragile vessels, while beta-carotene protects skin from Dryness. Its soft texture makes swallowing easy, and its mild laxative effect prevents abdominal heaviness that limits movement, supporting firmer, safer steps throughout the day. After exploring this orchard of colors and flavors, from guava to gentle papaya, a common thread emerges. Each fruit delivers vitamins, minerals, and enzymes that weave new collagen, strengthen vessels, and support muscles and nerves. Eating 2 varied servings daily can replace pricey supplements, reduce persistent tingling, and restore firmness to legs, allowing simple daily routines to be enjoyed freely again. Enjoyed learning how 8 affordable fruits can renew vessels, nerves, and muscles after 60? Turn knowledge into action. Subscribe now and hit the notification bell. Every week, easy recipes, shopping lists, and natural tips arrive to blend health with savings. Share this video with someone who needs an energy boost, and tell us in the comments which fruit you'll try first today.